Hey everybody, it's Friday afternoon for me. It's whatever time it is for you when you watch this. But for those of you that were affected by Schoology dropping my course, and then losing all the work that we did last week, it sounds like they're really unsure why it happened. I'm not the only teacher it happened to, but they're also unsure as to whether the material and everything is going to be able to be recovered. So, what I did, I just went ahead and copied the first 9 weeks folder from another class and put it into your guys' classes that had lost your material. But unfortunately, that also means that all of the work that you guys had done Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is gone. Um, and I'll be honest with you, a lot of them I hadn't had the chance yet to go through and to read and to comment. Um, so, if you wouldn't mind going back on and especially on the getting to know you stuff where you tell me about you, if you could just go back and redo the things about you, especially if you're one of my new kids and I don't know you. That way I can just kind of start to build those relationships with you and get that going. I'm really sorry that this happened. It's totally just was a fluke thing that happened and it hopefully won't happen again. Um, that being said, I'll probably start doing my grading on good old fashioned paper instead of doing it in the system, um, just in case, this happens again and I lose material, which is awful, but there's not much else I can do about it. So, again, it's not the fault of the school, it's not my fault, it's just something that happens because we're relying on technology, and sometimes technology isn't always like the best thing in the world. So I hope you guys have a good weekend. I finished the lesson plans for next week. I think next week is going to be fun. The beginning of the week, you guys might not have as much fun, but the second half of the week, I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. So, you guys have a good weekend. If you need anything, have any questions, please send me a message on Schoology. And yeah, I've enjoyed getting to know as many of you this week as I've been able to, and I look forward to meeting and talking with the rest of you that I haven't been able to connect with. So, bye.